In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a slide as a PNG with a transparent background in PowerPoint. This process is quite useful if you want to create graphics for web designs, presentations, or any visual project that requires a clean, professional look without a background. We'll walk through the steps you need to take to accomplish this. Let's start by launching Microsoft PowerPoint. Once you've got PowerPoint open, you'll either want to open an existing presentation or create a new one. Make sure your slide contains all the necessary photos, tables, and any other content you want to include in the final image. This preparation is crucial because only the objects you select will be saved in the image file. Now, with your slide open, the next step is to select the specific objects you want to save as an image. There are two ways you can do this. You can click and drag your mouse to draw a selection box around all the desired shapes, images, and text. Alternatively, you can hold down the Shift key and click on each object individually. This allows you to select multiple items at once and ensures that nothing important is left out. After you've made your selection, the next step involves saving these selected objects as an image. To do this, right-click on your selection. A context menu will appear, from which you'll choose the option labeled Save as Picture. This action opens a dialog box where you can set your preferences for the image you're about to create. In the dialog box, you're going to want to focus on two key areas. First, make sure you select PNG as the option for Save as Type. PNG is ideal because it supports transparent backgrounds, which is exactly what we want. Secondly, you'll need to name your file. Choose a descriptive name that will help you easily identify the image later. Once you've completed these settings, it's time to save the file. Click on the Save button, and PowerPoint will generate a PNG file containing just the objects you selected. The beauty of this PNG file is that it maintains the transparency of your PowerPoint slide, leaving out any unwanted backgrounds. This feature is what makes the PNG format so valuable for various design purposes. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily create transparent PNG images from your PowerPoint slides. This technique can significantly enhance the versatility and professionalism of your visual content. I hope you found this guide helpful, and I encourage you to try it out in your next project. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.